Hello Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 16th of May. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Cancer, the mother. Cancer, the high priestess. Cancer, the police. The police. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's go, Cancer. We have the Ace of Cups coming out first. All right, the Ace of Cups is usually very innocent feelings. All right, feelings that are new. Me getting you watch somebody, you like them. Maybe you start becoming in love with somebody you're watching online, but you don't know if they're a RPG, you don't know if they're a fucking cosplayer, or you don't know if that's their real personality. Me getting you watching somebody online, me getting you like them, you think them cute, me getting you like somebody. Yeah, the moon card, me getting you have feelings for something, you have feelings. Me no know, you have feelings for somebody. A lot of feelings, me getting a lot of feelings even though it's the Ace of Cups. I'm also getting something about, I don't know, somebody who you're going to meet for the first time, them want to meet you. I'm getting them want to meet in the night though. Yeah, I'm not into that. You should not be into that too, especially if it's a first meeting. I'm getting them want to meet you in the night. Cancer, I'm getting something about this person say, you know, I don't know what I'm saying to you, if them saying that them working or them saying them only available in the nights. You mean like a bat, only available in the fucking nights? Alright? I'm getting this person have feelings for you though. Yeah, the night, I'm getting him saying only can come in the nights. Maybe you only can in the nights. I don't know. But what we do know is, I'm getting a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I'm getting Pisces. A Pisces want to visit you. A Pisces have feelings for you. But I'm getting, like, it's like somebody said can come over, but in the nights. I don't know if it's after work. Like somebody said, I want to come over. Me getting, you're dating this guy. I don't know if you like him. I don't know if you find him cute. But me getting him want to get intoxicated and fucked up in the night. Him don't want to have no day cap. Now, I am very weary of being brought to drink coffee. As weary as I am being asked to come somewhere in the night and drink. But that's just me. I have my reasons to be paranoid. You, on the other hand, Cancer, you may have a lot more to live for. So, yeah, me getting like them say them want out in the night. And they want to drink. It's fucking argument. It's fucking argument. It's fucking argument, Cancer. What you think it is? Wish man I invite you out for drinks, for get you intoxicated under alcohol, for not fuck you on a night. Worse if you don't drive. If you're with it, you're with it. Maybe you want it. Maybe you're feeling liberated and you want to go out for a nice dinner, drinking. Go, you know, you never know what can happen. Maybe that's what you like. But me getting, just be mindful that after that day, it could be a one night stand. But after that day, know that any other day you're seeing this person is going to always be in the night. Yeah, we have so we have Knight of Wands, Knight of Cups. Is he for the night and him for the day? Maybe that's what you're telling him. You're telling him you can only see him in the nights. Me getting something about brothers. Me getting one in the... I got this reading already. One in the day, one in the night. Or again, we have a Knight of Wands. Somebody might be very, very giving, very loving. Them doing on you, complimenting you. Them want dog Cancer. What do you think this is? Them never ask you to come to a fucking science museum. They never ask you to come, let's take a lecture at the university. Them and bring them while you drink in the night. What you expect to happen? And me just say, even though no means no, and every man gonna take no for your answer. Some man are rapists. Some man are gonna say, I don't spend all this money. You have to give me something. So be careful, you're not putting yourself in a very compromising situation. Because taking out your phone and videoing that the man is being an asshole, or telling the man that him don't have the right for one have sex with you after and bring you out, that is not enough. Him can hurt you. Calling a police makes no sense when you're dead. You need to know people that get evil nowadays. Cancer, yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. The Sun card. Okay, so I'm getting you talking to this person about your child. You're talking to this person. Okay, somebody also want to have conversations about you when it comes on to a baby. All right. I don't know if somebody want to get you pregnant, Cancer. Somebody's like, oh my God, I love you so much. I would just hope that you would be the mother of my child. Sir, you need to call the mother of the child, which is you, and tell her how she doing. You want to impregnate woman. Sir, impregnation, weird. 2025? But Mr. Hamilton? No, sir. No, sir. Mr. Hamilton has no space in a CRA to be granted. Bob Hamilton is not going to be granting anybody no childcare expenses because they wanted to kind of one night stand. That is too much stress on Bob. And worse, you're drunk. How you know they're going to use a condom? Because them can take off a condom halfway. You're inebriated. You don't know. It's alcohol. It's not cannabis. It's not cannabis. Cannabis, you will see everything. Cannabis, you'll be like, yo, I've been telling you that they're putting things in a condom to make you pregnant. Alcohol, you're under. Chances are you're not using protection. You're drunk. It's drunk sex. You need to be careful. You're getting somebody want to get you pregnant. How them want to get you pregnant? You have to drink. One more. The Page of Cups. Yeah, you have to drink. And hopefully them don't lace your shit. Them not put no roof in your shit and drug you. Cancer, be very careful. Because I'm getting somebody that treat you like a total, somebody going to be a total gentleman to you on the dates, before the dates. But me getting them feelings like a switch up. Them will get very touchy-feely when them drunk. And yes, I can say, no, don't touch me. You're in a them car. Yes, you can come out and walk, but look on the situation you put yourself in. I don't know if you're the type of girl who like when man bring them out so you can dress up and take pictures and you can get a free dinner. Girl, and every man, I gotta just take it. Some man evil. Let's go again. Ace of Cups is clarified by the Ten of Cups. Yeah, me getting something. Okay, so me getting a saying I don't want drink. Well, something can be completed if you don't drink. You have to be inebriated for something to happen. I don't know if it's a spell someone's putting on you or again someone want to blind you. You have to drink. The Moon card is clarified by the Four of... Yeah, me getting somebody going to be very attentive to you. Them going to say, me only can come over in the night. And you're going to be like, well, the night doesn't do for me. And them will say, no, I'm going to come, let me bring this for you. I'm going to bring that for you. Do you need anything? Me getting at your service, somebody will be at your service, but me getting me getting whatever this is, the more you accept it in the night. Me getting someone is really, them do everything. Me don't know. Me getting the night. Like you can't see somebody in the days. Or me don't know if this is something about two best friends, two brothers. Me don't know if them work together. That's why them can't see in the day. One of them are gonna sneak out in the night. Or after work, because I'm getting two guys. A Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and a Libra. A Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Knight of Cups is clarified. Ooh, High Priestess. We're going to take it. Hi, Cancer. What's behind you? The King of Cups. Yeah, hi, Cancer. Yeah. Listen, I'm a divorcee. I'm not the one to tell you about man and how men supposed to act and blah, blah, blah. To each is them own. How you receive love is not how me receive love. But Cancer, you're dealing with knights. The knights them want to fuck you and then have you around. They want to be friends with benefits. It's not a king. A king will be like, do not touch my property. A knight will be like, it's okay if we're just friends, but if you fuck me and you fuck him, it's okay because we're friends. The king will be like, do not touch my property. That's the difference. If a man is okay with you having, listen to me, to each is them own. The king will never be okay with you being in the company of another man in the night. A knight would be like, oh, you see me today? Okay, when we can see each other. Next week, okay, fine. It's not nothing if you fuck me and you fuck him. You can't pass you around. That's what the knights are on. The kings are more territorial. Yeah, Cancer. I'm telling you what your reading is. I'm telling you what this is. Don't put yourself in a situation. Me getting the knights are acting like kings. But them want fuck. They're knights. They're not kings. I mean, I know about you, but me can't deal with a man who's not territorial. Me never say abusive. Me never say narcissist. Him have to be territorial. If him not territorial, me no... I mean territorial as in him jealous. As in if a other guy say hi to you up on the road, or if a other guy try to help you with something on the road, he gonna be like, don't you... Me not talk about that. But I mean, don't touch the people in property. That's what I mean. There's a video out with a man and a woman who was getting married, and the girl girl makeup, and the guy touch her on her side, right? And everybody's like, you're making a big deal. There's another video out with this girl and one guy in a one gas station, and some man come in and look on the girl ass and touch the girl on her side, and the girl boyfriend knock him the fuck out. You see the difference? Here we have a man beside him wife about to get married, and this girl who knows that she can take, who know that it doesn't matter if this man is getting married to this woman, she still can't fuck your man. You touch her on her side. And you think it's okay. Oh, it's nothing. What's the big deal? Okay. Look on the other video of the girl were in the gas station with her man, and the whole heap of man them come in and touch the girl in her side. And she did this and tell her boyfriend, and the boyfriend said, what? And knock the man the fuck out cold in the gas station because him touch him girlfriend in her side. You see the difference? The Queen of Pentacles is clarified by the Ace of... Yeah. I'm getting you're a queen. This is a knight. This is a knight. You're waiting on a king. You're waiting on a king of cups for have sex with. Me getting the night them want fuck fast and them want fuck easy and them want fuck for nothing. Me getting the King of Cups is not fucky. Alright, me not gonna say him not gonna rush you, but me getting him not fucky. Him not like that. Him more have romantic feelings, and the romantic feelings are gonna lead to sex. These nights, them want to take you out drunk and then fuck. That's the difference. But me getting you waiting on these, you're waiting on a king. You're waiting on a king. Cancer, me I tell you, wait on the king for fuck. No the night. No man who just want to bring you out and have a good time and have a one night stand, and you don't know if them even attached to another woman. Me hear one girl say, if men supposed to have high body counts and women supposed to have low body counts, who the man fucking? Who are the men fucking? Because if you're saying that men being virgins are losers, if you say men who have one or low body count or never have a girlfriend before are fucking nerds, if that's what you say, and in the same breath you say, yeah, men are different. Men supposed to be the one to have pussy. Okay, but if the girl's supposed to have the low body count, who the man them a fuck? You see how 2 + 2 did not make 4? You see how that work? The man men are naturally not monogamous, and men supposed to go out and fuck, you know, it's just natural, it's animalistic, it's a monkey fucking instinct in a motherfucking man to go around and fuck who he wants. Okay, but if you want fuck a virgin, who are you fucking for your body count to be high? And that's how I know that these females who were niggas knew what the fuck niggas were up to. You want me to be virgin? If me to be virgin and you have a high body count and you more experienced than me in the bedroom, who were you fucking? Whose body count did you send up high? There we go. Let us continue the reading. One more. And we have that's the truth. The Ace of Swords, that's the truth. No, I don't know if you have planned for date younger. When you date younger, them will get horny. Them dick will stand up really, really fast. But them very shy for have sex. The younger ones are shy for have sex unless you go and initiate it. The knights are gonna want to initiate sex with you under alcohol. The kings, you might even say somebody gay, or you might even say somebody not interested in you. Me getting is because them here for a long time. They want to spend at least 5 years with you. That's why them not rushing. I have 5 years to go with her. I don't need to rush for her. That's a king mentality. The night mentality, I go fuck you up on the same night. The same night him fuck you, the same night him fuck you without a commitment, him gonna ask you what your body count is. And if he's a night enough, he will ask you what your body count is while him penis inside of you. You see how men work? You have to be very careful. So Cancer, just be careful, okay? Me getting Cancer. Wait on the king. Wait on the king. As a matter of fact, I feel like you being around the king will make you hornier. Because the man a hold out. There is nothing more attractive than a man holding out. I'll fucking tell you that. Only one man. Let me tell you something. Canadian Revenue Agency. Let me tell you something. Only one man in my life. One man in my life ever met my weight. Every other man who I have had coitus with is either I had coitus with them in normal periods of time. Only one man me did ever meet in my life. You know how long the man met me wait for fuck him? You know how long? Me I talk about over 6 months. Like to a year. The man met me wait. I mean I say what a bumbo clot. That's a king. The night them I go fuck you same night. The night them will fuck in them friend room because them don't have a room for themselves. The younger ones, them either want fuck in a car or them not go fuck at all because them virgins, them don't really know. And them scared. The younger one, them love talk about consent. You notice? The younger one, them will be like, consent, do I have a consent? But like, damn it. These high school girls are really calling rape a lot, aren't they? The younger one, them a be a consent them talk about. The kingdom are gonna wait out. The kingdom are gonna be like, not every time I see him, I need to have sex with you. I'm going to be here. I don't want this to be a thing where I keep having sex with you every day and not that you're going to get boring, but somebody want to have genuine time with you and then time for sex. The night I can just fuck you every time them see you. So you decide who, like, what kind, I'm getting any for whole out for the king. I'm getting the sex are gonna be so much better. We have a number 8. Somebody might be born on the 8. We have CIA. We have sleep. The king can sleep beside you and cuddle you and you'll feel them getting hard, but them not gonna fuck you. The night, him gonna fuck in the car. We have Thursday and we have Prophet. What day is today? Today's Thursday. Cancer. Thursday. Today's Thursday. Prophet. I am telling you. Wait out. Wait out, feet. I don't know if something will happen today or tonight. I'm getting wait out. Wait it out. Alright, Cancer. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.